Let's listen to a story of Aadya, a tech-savvy, curious little 10-year-old girl who loved spending time with her family. One evening, while watching the news with her parents, something caught Adya's attention. That doesn't sound right. The news anchor was reporting a sudden spike in crime rates in their neighborhood, with rumors of a dangerous gang targeting families. Adya's parents exchanged worried glances, but Adya sensed something was off. Adya exclaimed, "Mom and Dad, can I use your laptop for a minute? I need to check something." Adya dove into the depths of internet, searching for more information about the supposed gang activity. She clicked on various news articles and social media posts, analyzing each piece of information with a critical eye. They exclaimed excitedly, "I knew it! These stories were all fake. They wanted the neighborhood to be scared. It's some mischief." Adya rushed back to her parents with her discovery. She showed them the evidence she had found, proving that the news reports were exaggerated and misleading. The dad and mom were really happy. They exclaimed, "You are incredible, thanks to you. We didn't panic and overreact to this fake news." Adya's quick thinking and critical thinking skills saved that day. She became her own family's cybersecurity hero, protecting them from the dangers of misinformation that was spreading online. And from that day forward, Adya made it her mission to always question what she saw online and help others do the same. Because in the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is power and critical thinking is the key to staying safe. So remember, just like Adya, you too can become a cybersecurity hero by developing your critical thinking skills and spotting fake news before it's too late. So, my little kiddos, stay vigilant, stay curious, and together we can make the internet a safer place for everyone. See you next time.